Home sales across the country are seeing the biggest drop in a decade. The latest report from the National Association of Realtors shows U.S. housing prices are beginning to ease as the real estate market slows. Business reporter Alexis Christoforous joins me now for more on this. Alexis, how significant is this, and how much does this drop depend on where you live?
That's the key.
Yeah.
But look, this is significant because we seem to have a seemingly endless period where prices kept rising. So this report from the National Association of Realtors shows us that prices are starting to come down a little bit as home prices or home sales cool. So nationwide, the median existing home price down 1.7%. I know that might not sound like a lot, but it is still the biggest drop we've seen since January of 2012. And as you suggested, if you're a home buyer, it really depends on where you live. So we saw the biggest drops out west, where prices are down 8% year over year. In the South, down, but not by nearly as much, down a little more than 0.5%. Big reason is because those areas boomed during the pandemic. And then we had a lot of the tech layoffs that impacted the West Coast in particular. But as you can see here, if you're looking for a home in the Midwest or Northeast, prices are actually higher year over year. Midwest up nearly 3%, and in the Northeast up about 2%.
So what does this mean for the overall economy?
You might think that because prices are coming down, we're seeing a bump up in home sales, but that is not what's happening. And it shows you that a lot of folks are just on the sidelines right now. So overall, home sales fell 3.4% from a month ago. And look at that, down 23% from a year ago. So there's this sort of this push-pull demand that we're seeing in the housing market. It's twofold. You've got mortgage rates that are higher and also a really tight supply of available homes on the market. And a big reason why is people are not moving as much. Unless they have a real compelling reason to move, these are folks who, if you're already a homeowner, you probably locked in a mortgage, a more attractive mortgage many months, maybe even a couple of years ago. And so if you were to move now, the mortgage rate you'd lock in would be much higher.
Right.
So bottom line, I think if you're looking for a home right now, there's going to be competition. There is not a lot to choose from, but depending on where you're looking, there's a little softness in prices.
All right, Alexis Christoforous, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.